Hi, I'm Carl and I'm the cook mentor at St Nicholas, Newcastle West. I'm here today with Aimee and Ash, and we're going to do some food for parents for Nutrition Week. And the idea is to make quick, easy, snappy food that you can put together and swap out ingredients to make it cost effective and easy and fun for the kids.
Right here we're adding some ham to our scrolls, and we're about to add some cheese so we can roll them up and cut them for the oven. So now we're cutting it all up so we can have bite-sized pieces for children. So roughly about this much.
So these are the pizza ham and scrolls. They're done this. You can make them different sizes. You can put more cheese in them, less cheese, and different ingredients. And I normally put them in there for about 20 minutes, but I always check after 10. So just put them in the bottom oven. And I'll set a timer. This is my assistant Ash, and we're going to do some quick and easy banana muffins.
Putting in 2 bananas, and then I'm going to use the masher and 2/3 of a cup of yogurt, 1 cup of salt rising, and then we're ready. Now I put into the trays.
They won't take as long, so they should take no longer than 10 minutes. This is me and Aimee. This time we're going to make some Bliss Balls.
One cup of wheat mix or rolled oats. Now we've got 1 cup of coconut. And now we have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of natural yogurt. And the idea is to bring it together so you can then form into little balls. So you roll the balls into any size you like, and just put a ball in the tray there, Aimee. They're perfect. You roll it around. Aimee and Ash have done a fantastic job making Bliss Balls, banana muffins and pizza scrolls today. Hopefully you've seen how quick and easy it is to put them together. It's literally only taking us like 10 minutes each time. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you can take some inspiration from us and how easy it is to make healthy food for the children. See ya, thank you, bye-bye.